In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion shopping wish list. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual place to collect products, track prices and statuses, and sort what you want to buy next. Start by creating a new page in Notion and give it a clear name, like Shopping Wish List. Inside that new page, type /gallery and choose Gallery to create a gallery database. This gives you a card-based layout that's perfect for product images. For a cleaner look, hide the database title so the content takes center stage. Then click the three dots in the top right, open Layout, and switch the page to full width. This makes your gallery breathe and gives your product cards more room. Next, set up the properties that will power your wish list. Click the plus icon to add fields. Keep the default name for the item's title. Add price as a number, set the format to $, and choose 0 decimals for consistent, tidy values. Add a URL property so you can jump straight to the product page. Create a category using the select type, with options like electronics, clothing, or home goods. Add a status select to track progress such as on wish list, considering, purchased, or archived, and give them colors so you can scan your list at a glance. Add a priority select with high, medium, and low to guide your decisions. Include an image field using files and media so each card can show the product photo. Finally, add an added on field using created time so Notion automatically records when you save the item. Now, tailor how your gallery looks. Click the three dots again and open Properties. Set the card preview to image, so each card shows its product picture prominently. Choose which details appear on the card surface, like price and status, to make key info visible without opening each item. If you prefer a tighter or roomier layout, adjust card size until it feels right. You're ready to add items. Click New to create an entry, then fill in the name, price, link, and upload an image. Assign a category, set a priority, and mark the current status. Repeat for each product you're tracking. To organize even further, add dedicated views. Click Add a View and create a Purchased view filtered where status equals purchased. Make a High Priority view filtered where priority equals high. Add a Table view if you want a classic spreadsheet layout to see all properties in a list. Use Filter and Sort to focus by price, category, or any combination that fits how you shop. That's it, your Notion shopping wish list is ready to use and easy to grow.